Hi everyone, let's look at packed meals. Before we get into the lesson, let's look at what you should be able to do at the end. You should be able to define the term packed meals, outline the factors to be considered when preparing packed meals, list suitable foods for packed meals, identify suitable containers and packaging materials for packed meals, and discuss the guidelines for packing meals. When we refer to packed meals, we are speaking about meals that are prepared at home and eaten elsewhere. Now, packed meals can be used by anyone and are most commonly used by children who take lunch or snacks to school, adults who take their lunch to work, and families who may go out for picnics and hikes. There are some activities where individuals may choose to have a packed meal. Some are sporting events like a football match or an athletics championship, a school field trip. You take a packed meal to school or to work for lunch or a snack, or a picnic. Can you think of any more activities where you may need a packed meal? You can share this in the comment section below. Before we plan and prepare packed meals, there are some aspects that we should consider. The first is we need to consider who will be eating the meal. The age, health, gender, as well as the level of activity by the person who will be eating the meal must be taken into consideration. For example, teenagers have a special need for bodybuilding and energy-rich foods because they are usually physically active. However, the elderly are not as active and their need for energy-rich foods are less, but will still need more vitamins and minerals. The next point to consider is how the meal will be transported. The type of food will be determined by how it will be transported. Individuals who will be taking a bus, taxi, walking, or riding a bicycle, their packed meal should be light enough to carry and easy to pack. In the case of children, their lunch kits need to be sturdy to withstand rough treatment and made from durable material like plastic or metal. Their lunch container should be leak-proof, but that which they can open easily. Another point to consider is where and how will the meal be eaten. Will there be tables and chairs available? Will the meal be eaten in an open space or in a room? These are questions that need to be asked. These factors will influence the foods and other items that are packed. Be sure to include foods that are ready to eat or require less preparation. Like other meals, packed meals should be attractive and have a variety of flavors, color, and texture to stimulate appetite. Safety is very important in meal preparation. Always bear in mind that hot food should be served hot and cold foods cold. Foods such as eggs, milk, and meat will spoil quickly at room temperature, so it is very important to have foods in suitable containers. A variety of foods, both cooked and raw, can be included in packed meals. You can choose from sandwiches with a variety of fillings, whether meat or cheese, whatever filling of your choice, or chicken parts prepared in a number of ways. Fruits and vegetables can also be a part of your packed meals. However, these should be kept whole or tightly covered to conserve the vitamins. Desserts can also be a part of your packed meals and can include but not limited to cakes, donuts, and cookies. Hot and cold beverages such as our teas and our fruit juices can also be a part of a packed meal, as well as soups. It is very important to choose the best containers to ensure that food retains its quality until it is ready to be eaten. The container you choose will depend on the meal, whether it is solid or liquid, or hot or cold. A wide range of containers and packaging materials are available. Some include plastic containers with covers, vacuum flasks such as our thermos, paper bags, newspaper, aluminum foil, plastic wraps, plastic bottles, and polythene bags. When preparing and packing meals, it is important to follow the following guidelines. Wrap foods carefully in appropriate packaging. This could be in material like foil or plastic wrap. This will prevent air from getting in and making the food dry. Secondly, all bottles or vacuum flasks should be carefully and tightly covered in order to prevent spills. Avoid using mayonnaise and other foods that spoil easily in heat. When packing, the heavier foods should be placed at the bottom in an attempt to not damage the delicate foods when they are being transported. And finally, if a dressing will be served with the vegetable salad, they should be packed separately, as salad dressings causes vegetables to wilt. I hope this lesson was informative and you will use the information to plan nutritious packed meals. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.